guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kim Louie Francis Neves Andorana, a BSc Math student of Cebu Technological University at Moalboal campus. And now, I will discuss to you the lesson 11, the preliminary questions. The number one questions is, how do media affect the lives of people nowadays? So media affect nowadays of people in our lives because of the information spread. Even if a few clicks of a button, only you can now access in a social media, so you can gain the information. It has also negative effects and unhealthy behavior that has we can cause because of social networking. And then we can provide a piece of evidence if that website is true or false that can affect our lives. So number two questions is it necessary to be digitally literate, and why? For me, my answer is yes, because in my case, we now live in a digital world with many more technological devices. Understanding digital literacy means if we can use technology nowadays, we are digital literate and we use it securely to avoid its hazards. Hi guys, I'm back. So now, as I watch the video clip on YouTube, there's a questions that how does the medium constantly transforming the way we live, learn, and interact with each other? So, as I can say of media, we can constantly be transforming the way we live by watching the video. It relates to how we are now. We are born in digital world, that the technology is more advanced. It is also science that the future generations are more than literate about social media, so we can learn it by the proper way of teaching and how to use the media to recall many ideas that come up in our minds. So therefore we can interact with each other by the way we can communicate through messenger or video calls or any devices or apps that we can communicate and gain information through social media. Hi guys, and now in this video I would like to share to you my ideas in media literacy and digital literacy of my Venn diagram on how their differences and related to each other. So media literacy is to promote our mind in media knowledge. And also one is the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, create, and participate media and using communication tools and consume information that human interaction. And that's all of media literacy, and let's now to have the digital literacy. So first is to being able to understand and use technology. It also access also in productive and useful way. It's more comfortable and confident in digital literacy. And now to create and share knowledge in digital. So that's all of my ideas in my Venn diagram that I can share to you. So now I choose a topic of my own preferences. I look a video clip in YouTube. So this video contains in social life or social media. So this critic the video based on the following, or what is the message of the following, is it's all about how social life or social media can affect in our daily lives. And what are the values have you clarified? The value that I learned in the video has a limit time in using gadgets or social media, because like in the short video clip that I chose, she is more addicted to using her gadget. Ever he doing is posting on social media to be more attractive to her in everyday life, so that he got more reactor to others by posting on it in social media. So what is persona experiences can you relate? So I can relate this to myself sometimes, because being addicted to using gadgets of social media is hard to adjust by using it. The effect of it is I can't do my activities on time. My mind is always saying, pick up the phone, then go to Facebook. I will happy when I go to YouTube or Facebook, because any video clips that have a comedy, like nowadays in doing work, my activities. I can search on Google so any ideas or results that can help me do my activities. That's all can I say about social media can affect our lives. Hi guys, so now I will share to you my mind map. Here. And then I ask myself of the following questions. How many times do I have to watch the videos and why? In my case, 3 to 4 times to understand more about the video, all about by the content of the video provided more information in order to understand and pick the important points while watching on it that he discussed lively and interact the audience by giving more ideas. And second one is at any point in the lecture did the speaker say anything that made me doubt the trustworthiness of what he said. So my answer is no. The speaker were able to explain it well that I didn't doubt at any point in the lecture. And the last one is give the summary of the speaker's lecture in the paragraph of written text. So according to Josh argues in this inspiring little book that you can get good enough at anything to enjoy yourself in just 20 hours. In other words, the only thing standing between you and playing the ukulele for the next 2 weeks is your TV time. It's just is the busy as a father and entrepreneur can make the time the rest of us can too. So that's all of my opinion.